how to create a contact sheet in Adobe Photoshop. So I've got Photoshop open here and I'm going to go to File and Automate, go down to Contact Sheet 2. In here I'm going to select Folder from the drop down menu, then go and choose the folder with all the images in that I want to create my contact sheet. Once you've got the folder, press Open. Now it's time to set up the document parameters. I'm going to use centimeters and go 21 centimeters by 29.7. That's a standard A4 document. I'm going to change the resolution to 300 dots per inch because I want to use it for print. I'm going to use 2 by 2 because all my images are portrait. Once I have all them in there, I'm also going to unclick this flatten all images and keep them as layers. Once I've got that, I'm going to hit OK, and it's going to start creating all of my documents automatically. So once it's finished, I should have 5 different documents open. So here are my 5 different documents that are open, all with layers, with photographs added to them. That's how to create a contact sheet in Adobe Photoshop. Hope you got something out of this video. If you did, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.